Hey everybody, this is Pat Mulcahy from the AIS Detectors team, coming to you from my home office in St. Paul. On the AIS Detectors team, I'm the Aquatic Invasive Species Program Coordinator for University of Minnesota Extension and the Minnesota Aquatic Invasive Species Research Center. My job on the team is to develop course curriculum, to manage the volunteer experience, and what most of you know me as, be the tech guru for all of our programming. One of the things I've been working on while I've been home is the Aquatic Invasive Species Management 101 course that we're going to be launching in the next month. This is a new course that we're really excited to roll out. It's going to be entirely online, so it'll be completely safe to do from home while we're all staying in place. We've got interviews from experts in the field of aquatic invasive species management. We've got lots of new educational tools that we've been developing, including some new modules. So even if you piloted this course last year, there's going to be brand new stuff for you to do, and we're really excited for everybody to see it. One thing I've been doing a lot of while I've been home is reading, just to give you all a sense of what I've been getting into. I've been reading Spineless by Julie Burwald. This is all about marine biology and jellyfish. My master's was in marine science, so this is always an area that has a little bit of a soft spot for me. This is Improbable Destinies by Jonathan Lozos. If you're really interested in the history of science, this goes into a long bit about how we've studied evolution. And for some light, fun reading, I'm reading The Way of Kings by Brandon Sanderson, which is a short 1,200-page swords and sorcery fantasy book. So if you really want some light reading, this is one to jump into. During the Safer at Home order, I've been trying to do a lot of things to keep myself busy. I've done some projects around the house that I've been meaning to get to, like putting up bluebird houses to try to get some more birds in our yard. Done a lot of cooking and some new recipes. My wife and I like to go for walks around our neighborhood whenever we can. Puzzles, game nights. Been playing a lot of online trivia with my regular bar trivia team, and just really finding ways to keep myself busy. Sadly, for everybody who's been a gathering partners in the last few years, I have not found a way to scratch my karaoke itch while I've been home, but hopefully I'll figure something out soon. This is my coworker, Rufus. He doesn't really like to come up the stairs, so he usually hangs out down at the bottom. Lucky for me, it's not a long commute to go see him at the end of the workday. Hey, buddy. Just. Good boy, Rue. Well, that's it for me. Everybody stay safe out there and keep an eye out for more AIS Detectors content coming soon. Bye.